Dear friends, remember to watch the live telecast of the opening ceremony of the Summer Olympic on 27th of July and thereafter the thrilling, breathtaking sporting events which will follow. Now thank you for listening to us so patiently. Now stand in attention for the school song followed by the UAE anthem.
The end comes the word.
I request Mr. Paul to say a few words.
Mr. Paul there.
Good morning, dear students, teachers, and
Good morning.
good morning. And this morning, you are given a detailed explanation about the Olympics and demonstrated the opening ceremony within this narrow space more effectively. I believe those flashcards will be put up right later for the children to go through. So when you get free time, you go through the details and explore more about it. And thank you. I thank my parents for their active participation. And now we have to move on. Recycling and Environment Club. They have some prizes to distribute. I would like to hand over the mic to Ms. Marina.
Children, before anything else, let's clap our hands for the Olympic players of Junior 2C. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Did you learn something today? Yeah. Okay, did you enjoy it? Yeah. I think they deserve one more cheer. Hip hip! Hooray! What a wonderful presentation. Once again, let's clap our hands to Teacher Rita in Junior 2C. Louder! Okay, we'll have the awarding for the recycling campaign last time. Junior 2C, can you please move to your place at the side?